Hi everyone, this is Ryan and welcome back to the Angel Scrolls. In my last post, under Johnny Cash's Don't Take Your Guns to Town, I mentioned we should pray that the Senate make the right choice during the impeachment trial of Donald Trump. It does not look like that happened, for Mr. Trump was acquitted, solely because most of the Republicans stuck with him even after the events on the day of the insurrection. If you're not concerned about what happened at the trial and what's happening in U.S. politics right now, perhaps you should be. Yet, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, because Mr. Trump has many legal issues that will decide his future. It's hard to comprehend how the Republicans are sticking with him and even causing retribution on those few Republicans that voted to convict him. I just want to replay a couple of parts in Johnny Cash's song that talk about Trump as the jealous and callously hateful snake, and how what happened at the insurrection was an evil contraption of subversion. Lastly, in that same song, they talk about how people should make the Senate partly responsible. There's also another interesting song reversal I did back in November. It's Shaggy's Angel Song, and it refers to Trump as like Jonah, who in the Bible was swallowed by a whale and later tried to convince God to destroy his foes because they had different beliefs than him. So Jonah was trying to use God to help him in his own political agenda without any concern or compassion for others. The next song also has a prophecy within it. It's Katy Perry's Fireworks song that she sang at the inauguration of Biden and Harris. In the beginning of the song, it refers to how prayers and perhaps how many people prayed during the inauguration of how now God, with our help, can begin to work on some of the problems that Trump caused. It also talks about the snowstorm happening, which is mainly affecting Texas. In Texas right now, there are millions of people without power and have been for days. And another winter storm is on the way. This obviously is a climate change issue, like Texas has never experienced before. And the organization in charge of providing the power to Texas has made some very bad choices over the last few years with regards to the power grid, putting them in the situation they are experiencing right now. Please say a prayer for the people in Texas who are suffering because of it. Now let's hear that song.
That completes this presentation. To hear more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at theangelscrolls.com.